Welcome to Cha Ching Champs. In this video, we'll be discussing the basics of credit. Credit is an important part of our financial lives, so it's important to understand how it works and how it can impact our financial future. What is credit? Credit is a financial tool that allows us to borrow money or make purchases that we can pay back over time. When we use credit, we are essentially taking out a loan from a lender. There are different types of credit, such as credit cards, loans, and lines of credit. Credit scores are also an important part of credit. Your credit score is a number that represents your creditworthiness and how likely you are to pay back debt. It's calculated based on several factors, such as payment history, credit utilization, and length of credit history. The benefits and risks of credit. There are many benefits to having good credit. For example, you can qualify for lower interest rates on loans and credit cards, which can save you money in the long run. Good credit can also help you qualify for rental applications, employment opportunities, and more. However, there are also risks associated with using credit. If you use credit irresponsibly, you can accumulate debt and damage your credit score. Missing payments or paying bills late can lead to fees and higher interest rates, which can make it harder to get out of debt. How to build good credit. Building good credit takes time and effort, but it's worth it in the end. One of the most important things you can do is to make payments on time. Late payments can negatively impact your credit score and stay on your credit report for up to 7 years. How to manage credit card debt. If you have credit card debt, there are several strategies you can use to manage it. One is to create a budget and stick to it. By cutting back on unnecessary expenses and paying more than the minimum payment on your credit card, you can pay down your debt faster. You can also consider consolidating your debt by transferring your balances to a credit card with a lower interest rate or taking out a personal loan. However, be aware that this may not be the best option for everyone, so make sure to do your research and understand the terms and fees associated with each option. That's it for our video on the basics of credit. Remember, credit is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your financial goals, but it's important to use it responsibly. By building good credit, managing debt, and monitoring your credit report, you can take control of your financial future. Thanks for watching Cha Ching Champs, and we'll see you in the next video.